Hello everyone. Welcome to the Origami Joy channel. Today we are going to fold a mouse bookmark. You'll need a square piece of paper. Alright, let's get started. First, fold these two corners together. Unfold. Then fold these two corners together. Unfold. Turn it over. Fold the top and bottom edges to the center. Unfold. Fold the left and right edges to the center. Unfold. Turn it over. Pinch both sides and push up. Form a small square. Straighten it up. Then, align this edge with the center line. Align the left side with the center line as well. Fold down the top triangle. Turn it over. Align the right side with the center line. Align the left side with the center line. Turn it over. Restore the top triangle. Open here. Take out the top layer of paper. Fold like this. Turn it over. Open here. Take out the top layer of paper. Fold like this. Now it's folded into this shape. Fold this corner to the right. Fold it down again. Unfold. Put your thumb inside. Press it down. Do the same on the other side. Fold it down again. Unfold, put your thumb inside. Press it down. Fold here. Unfold. Fold here again. Unfold. Do the same on the other side. Fold. Unfold. Fold it again. Rotate it. Open here. Tuck this corner inside. Do the same on the other side. Tuck the corner inside. Now it looks like this. Turn it over. Fold this corner up. Unfold. Fold it up again. Pinch it and fold up. Flip it up. Flip this corner up. Fold it down a bit. Flip it down. Turn it over. Fold this part up. Fold it down a bit. Fold this part inside. Fold this part inside as well. Turn it over. Next, draw the eyes and mouth. First, draw the eyes. Draw 2 ovals. Then draw the pupils. Draw the whiskers. Then draw the nose and mouth. Finally, draw the feet. Our mouse bookmark is complete. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.